Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about what the pricing solutions and the resources are for Shopify.com. Now obviously, if you want to start your dropshipping business, if you want to start to get into this niche, you need to be in the right place and get the right information and the right strategies with the tips and tricks that you would require to scale your business and become financially independent. And that is the reason why we are making all these amazing videos for you guys, to give you guys an opportunity of a lifetime where you can learn the right way to scale your business. And we've done extensive research and gone into great detail and looked at a lot of individuals, successful dropshippers that understood exactly what strategy they implemented and how they implemented it and the mistakes that they did. And we have spoken about them in all our videos that are available on our channel. So head over there and check them out. Shopify.com is the global commerce platform that helps you build your business so you can sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. You can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. With millions of merchants worldwide, it gives us an opportunity to study each one of them. And obviously, after studying and going on great detail, we can look at exactly what they did right and what they did wrong. With representation in 170 countries, with 10% of total US e-commerce and $444 billion of global economic activity, this is a massive opportunity for you guys. If you want to understand how to start dropshipping, then you're in the right place. And you can easily build your online storefront and bring your vision to life with their simple and straightforward drag and drop store creator. You don't need any coding expertise, and you just need a big idea. And obviously that would decrease your costs significantly because you won't need to hire a front-end developer, a back-end developer. You can easily select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers, and you can even add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. And the best things are the sales channel, guys, because you can sell to every buyer everywhere. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools and social integrations and sales channels that you would require to get your product in front of customers. We live in a global world, guys, right now. And obviously with that matter, the social media is the biggest and the strongest tools that we have at our disposals. And to understand how we can harness that social media power to get more customers to our store is one of the most crucial elements to understand and to implement in our strategy so we can effectively scale our business and become financially independent. And obviously looking at the best converting checkout on the planet and a flexible point of sale to power our retail, we can reach new leads, engage with customers, and data that we can build on and take control of the customer data that we can use and obviously understand exactly who is buying what and when they're buying it and from where they're buying it. The most important thing right now in today's time and period is data mining, the basis upon which Google has become such a massive organization. They've understood exactly the consumer behavior and used that in their advantage, and so could you. You can even oversee your operations and fulfill every single order and manage your money where you make it. And best of all, guys, the customer support that is available is one of a kind. You have blogs, online courses, a community, and a help center. You can get all the marketing and business strategy tips that you need to help you run an online business. You can learn from tried and tested business tips with instant access to lessons from successful entrepreneurs. You can connect with a community of brands, partners, and fellow merchants who understand Shopify. You can even find answers with a dedicated help desk resource full of articles and videos from the support team. And guys, that's not all. You have so many solutions that are available. If you click over here on the top, you can start, sell, market, and manage. You can start your business. You can create your website. You can even customize your store. You can find the best business apps and own your site domain, explore free business tools. And the best thing is you can sell your products. You can sell in person, sell globally, sell wholesale and direct, and accept online payments. You can market your business. You can get market across social media. You can chat with customers and nurture customers as well with their Shopify email and understand your customers as well. And obviously you can manage your business, ship orders faster, manage your stock and orders, and outsource fulfillment and returns, and get paid faster and get secure business funding as well as automate your business. And when you look at the resources that is available, I personally feel this is one of the best things that you have with Shopify, and that is one of the reasons why I highly recommend any individual that wants to start their dropshipping journey to start it with Shopify. Now let's head over the pricing, which is very interesting because you can get a 3-month trial for $1. And if you don't have an account, guys, just click in the description below on the link and get Shopify for 3 months. There are two methods of payments, monthly and yearly. If you go for the yearly, you will save 10%. If you go for the monthly, you'll pay $1 basic for monthly for 3 months, and then $49 for the Shopify, where you can level up your business with professional reporting and more staff accounts, and $299 to get the best Shopify with custom reporting and their lowest transaction fee. Now, obviously, one of the major things which people tend to ask me is, what are inventory locations? Guys, inventory location literally means the areas where you can start up your Shopify account. Imagine if you have one account and you have multiple places that you can use that account and target individuals. So if you have an account in, for example, the US, you can actually target individuals in the UK, in Spain, in France, in Argentina, in South Africa, in America itself, in Canada, and also in Australia and New Zealand. Because that is the beauty of living in the internet age. We are living in a global world. All we need to do is think local and act global, and you can enjoy all the features with online stores, sales channels, point of sales, and 24/7 support. If you want to go for the Shopify Plus, which starts at $2,000 per month, you get the enterprise grade solution for high volume businesses. Now, obviously, guys, there's a lot of elements over here that we need to look at, and that is the reason why if you want to start any of these, all you need to do is click on try for free, and as you do that, you will be taken to the next page, and on that page, all you need to do is put the information in. For example, what best describes you, that we're just starting off or already selling in person? We're going to go over the fact that we're just starting off. After that, they ask you another question, which is very crucial to answer, is where would you like to sell? An online store, an existing website or a blog, social media, online marketplaces, in person, and you're not sure. We're going to go with an online store where we can create a fully customizable website, and as you go forward, you need to select a store name. This is very crucial, guys, because you got to make sure that you select a name that actually has a lot of references, that speaks about quality, and obviously gives a sense of what needs to be bought. So please make sure that you go in great detail before you select one of these elements over here, and the right element that will give you a competitive advantage in the industry. Once you've done it, all you need to do is select where your business is going to be located, and after that, you'll head to the last step, which is creating a Shopify ID. You can continue with your email, you can continue with an Apple ID, or Facebook ID, or your Google Gmail ID. We're going to go with a Gmail ID, and as we click on it, it will take a couple of seconds to give us a chance of what account we want to select. Once we select the account, all we need to do is sit back, relax, see our store being built. Once our store is built, on the left hand side, you're going to have your home, your orders, your product, your customers, analytics, marketing, discount, and your online store. And you can even have the setup guide over here. All you need to do is follow these steps to create your account. It is truly as simple, straightforward, easy as that, guys. If you have any questions whatsoever, you can always ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, and to assist you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon, share this video with your friends and family, and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.